Hi, Queens. Welcome to the Stan Store Tech Series inside the School of Soul, the Social Series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, 7X published author, and if you're ready to start making money online without needing a full website, this is where you start. Stan Store is one of the easiest ways to start selling digital offers, coaching sessions, memberships, and products directly from your Instagram, TikTok, or social media. In this series, I'm going to show you how to set up your Stan Store the right way, how to create your first offers, how to price and position them, how to automate delivery to your buyers, and how to start stacking digital income, even if you have a small audience. If Kajabi is like building a full house, Stan Store is like setting up a powerful pop-up shop. It's fast, it's easy to customize, and it's built to help you sell before you overthink. By the end of this series, you'll have a full Stan Store live, ready to start collecting payments, delivering offers, and building real digital cash flow. Let's get into it, Queens.